question of two-digit numbers. So this is the part 3 of this chapter, right? So here today we are going to see the exercise number 4, that is exercise 4 add. Add, that means here we are going to learn about the addition. Okay, so let's start with the first example A. The example A is 24. Here we have given the numbers and we have to add them together, right? 24 and 34. So this is our question, 24 and 34. Now what to do? We have to add them together. For that we have to write down here in vertical method. So how to do the addition? So first we have to mention the places, tens place and ones place, right? First we have to write down the first number 24 like this. Then the other number is 34. So here we have to write down the 34 like this. Put the symbol of addition over here like this and do the addition. So first step we have to start from the ones place, right? So here in ones place you can see 4 and number 4. Okay, so we can add them together with the help of fingers and with the help of pictures, right? So here I am going to explain with the fingers. Okay, so first from both number we have to find out the bigger number, but here we are same numbers, right? So first 4 keep in your mind and other number in your fingers, right? So here 4, that means 4 fingers. This one is 4 finger, right? So after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we got the number 8. So here we have to write in place of ones, right? Now second step, we have to add the numbers that is in tens place. That means these numbers 2 and 3. Now find out the bigger number. Yes, 3 is bigger. Keep in your mind and 2 number in your finger. That means 2 finger. After 3, 4 and 5, right? So here we got the number 5. Write down in tens place. Now we got the answer 58. This is our answer 58. Now clear how to do the addition. If we have given numbers like this 24 and 34, that means we have to add them together like this and we got the answer 58. Clear? So same way, if you have given more than 2 numbers, if you have given 3 numbers, then same way you have to do the addition. Clear? Now all of you, let's see the exercise number 5, that is the story sums. That means here we have to read the question and find out the answer with the help of addition. Okay, this is the story sum related addition. So let's read the first question. There are 25 boys and 23 girls in class 3A. So here we have given the information that class 3A में कितने बच्चे हैं? 25 boys. There are 25 boys and 23 girls. Okay, in class 3A there are 25 boys and 23 girls. Okay, now what is the question? Read it. How many children are there in the class? How many? That means we have to find out the total children in class 3A. Okay, so here we have given the numbers of boys and girls. Okay, so here we have to find out the total number of children in the class. Okay, so we can find the answer with the help of addition, right? अगर हम boys और girls को add करेंगे, जो numbers है boys के 25 and 23 girls, उन दोनों को मिलाएंगे, यानी we have to count them together. So we have to do here addition. Yes, addition. So let's solve this question. Let's solve this story sum. Here you have to first write down number of boys. Okay, number of boys. So how many number of boys? 25 boys. So here we have to write the 25. First mention the tens place, ones place. Now we have to write down the number of girls. Number of girls. So here write down number of girls. Okay. So here you can write down the number of girls, that is 23. For the answer here we have to do the addition. So put the symbol of addition and then count them together. Okay. So first step, in the ones place there is number 5 and 3. 5 keep in your mind and 3 in your finger. This is 3 fingers. These are 3 fingers, right? After 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So here we got 8 number, and in tens place there is number 2 and again 2. One number in your finger, one number in your mind. After 2, 3 and 4, right? So we got the number 4 here, write down in tens place. Now our answer is 48. 48 is the total number of children, right? So यहाँ पे हमें लिखने आंसर total number of children, right? This is the total number of children in 3rd A, in 3A class, 48. Clear? Now let's see the next story sum. Number 2. There are 52 chalk pieces in one box and 45 in another box. So here in this question we have given the information about the numbers of chalks, right? So here you can see 52 chalk pieces in one box, and in another box you can see in another box there are 45 chalk pieces. Okay, so the question is how many chalk pieces are there in all? In all, that means we have to find the total number of chalk pieces, okay, in one box and in another box. That means we have to do the addition of that numbers. So first, how to solve this sum? Let's see. So here first you have to write the first chalk pieces in one box. That is the number of chalk pieces. Number of chalk pieces in one box. So how many pieces are there in one box? 52, right? So here we have to write down the tens place, one place, and the first number is 52, right? Now let's see the chalk pieces in another box. There are 45, right? So here I am going to write number of chalk pieces in another box. Okay, here this is the another box. So here we have to write the name. So here we have to write down the number of another pieces, another box, 45 chalks, right? So here put the addition symbol, 45. That is the chalk pieces that is in another box, right? Now we have to find out the total number of chalks. So first we have to do the addition. That numbers in ones place, 5 and 2. 5 is bigger number, keep in your mind, and 2 in your finger, right? 5 after 6 and 7, right? So we got the answer 7 here in ones place. Now count them together. That numbers are in tens place. That is 5 number and 4 number. 5 is bigger number, keep in your mind, and another number in your finger, that is 4. 4 finger, right? After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So here I am going to write the 9 number in tens place. That means we got the answer 97. What is it? 97 is the total number of chalk pieces. right? So here total number of chalk pieces in all. Now we got the answer 97. That is the total number of chalk pieces, right? I hope you cleared the concept of story sum, how to solve the story sum by addition method and how to solve this story sum by this method, right? I hope you cleared the concept of this topic. Thank you.